It's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies. Well, I'm still not feeling good. Anyhow, I'd like to welcome everybody to my channel and thank all my new subscribers and thank everybody who's been watching my videos. It's been lovely. Today is Fairy Garden Thursday with Grandma Sandy, and I have a little fairy garden that I'm going to put together, just sitting here on my deck in the sunshine. Thought maybe I would enjoy doing this even though I'm not feeling great, but I got to do something. Can't just lay in bed all day. Anyhow, hope you enjoy. My daughter got this lovely dish from a friend of hers, and that friend filled it full of succulents. Well, my daughter and I aren't very good at keeping succulents alive, so she thought maybe I could do it, but it didn't work for me either. So I decided this is such a beautiful dish, a big dish. Fits really nice on my little table that I have on my deck. It's just a little cafe set I have here. And it's full of dirt. And it's got lots of rocks. So I thought, well, that's a perfect little place to make a fairy garden. So what I'm going to do is I have lots of succulents. They're faux. So I'm going to start by putting succulents. Just push them down in there. Let's put this big one in the middle. It's kind of pretty. And I got 3 of these little ones. One there, maybe a couple over here. And we have this one, this nice dark one. And I'm going to stick it back over here between these guys. So I'll just adjust a little bit, play around. Okay, I'll give you a view from the top. I think that makes a nice succulent dish. I'm going to move this one just a little bit so we can see this guy better. Okay. So I have this fairy. I've used her before in my fence outside. She's a bigger fairy, but I really like her. And I thought, oh, she'll be good in this pot. So I'm going to try her right here. Stick her in the dirt right there. I think she looks quite good there. And I have a few of these mushrooms. And I think I'm going to stick some in here. They have long stems and they're ceramic. I didn't make them, although I'd like to make some. And I think they'll just add a little color. A little more color and decoration to our garden. Oops, come on, I want that to sit up. There we go. I'll put one back in here too. There, that one sticks up nice. There, we've got 3 in there. And I think that looks really pretty. And I have some more white rocks. And I'm going to spread some of those around. I think the white rocks just kind of brighten up the whole arrangement. Putting the white rocks in. Oh. I've got a few more down in here. Okay, I think that makes it look very pretty. And this dish is just the perfect size to sit on my table. And it's heavy enough where if the wind blows, the glass doesn't blow out of my table. So far it's worked like that. This is my patio. Little patio set that I have out of my deck. Need to clean the glass. I will, but the floor is very hot right now, so I'll come out and do that later. I think it looks very nice. So we have the beautiful terracotta dish. It has a green glaze all inside it and on the handles. And we put some faux succulents in. And some ceramic mushrooms. And of course our little fairy girl watching over everything. And I think this is very pretty, and it should be good on the deck because it gets very hot back here. So you don't have to worry about the plants because they're faux. And the fairy, I'm sure, enjoys the sunshine. So and I love that the birds are tweeting away and singing for us. Well, as I said, it's very, very hot out here on my deck. So I'm going to go in the house. And that's my little fairy garden for Thursday, Fairy Garden Thursday 2023. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and enjoy more gardens. Grandma, oh, puppy dogs. Somebody's walking by in front of the house, and the puppy dogs love to bark. Anyhow, if you go to Grandma Sandy's site, there's more people who do fairy gardens, and she always sponsors somebody or gives them a shout out, which is wonderful. So that's my little video for this day, and I'm gonna end this video by showing you our beautiful hawthorn tree. It's growing wonderful. We need to get some water on our grass so it gets green, but it's just been hot here for a few days. So I might turn my phone this way so you can get the full tree. And a story I heard about the hawthorn tree is the fairies like to live under the hawthorn tree. So I can see a fairy garden going there pretty sometime. Okay, thanks again for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in another one. Bye. There's a couple of magpies on my fence. Not sure what they're after.